and you can, again, use AI to build this. So you can drop into Cursor example photos and then say like, build a style guide based on this. And it'll build a,
Well, that's what's cool too. You can also link to websites now too, and do
yeah,
it that way if you don't even drop in a photo.
yeah,
But that's a good one
exactly.
too, because like keeping buttons at this specific border radius, stuff
Yep.
like that, that just makes your life way easier and it makes it look a lot more consistent and normalized over the site.
Yeah. And then the last thing is build a development checklist. And so that will, you can ask Cursor to literally task out every single thing in the app based on that PRD. So that those three things are one piece of this. The second piece is the really important thing is to break things into chunks. Don't try to do like a whole landing page or break every single piece of your project down into like smaller chunks. The smaller you do, the better results you're going to get, right? And when you're building these things, reference those documents that I just talked about. So you're going to do like and you can put these all in a folder. That's what I typically do, like a dev folder or something similar. And Cursor allows you to tag an entire folder. So I'll say like, based on at development folder, build me the hero section for this website, right? And then whatever other context I can add that'll be helpful.
And this is true. It's funny, but it's true for like whenever you use AI. But breaking
Yeah,
things up, targeting small things, you get way better results, much more high quality. And you don't always have, it's funny because we were talking about this before, but like when we all first started using it, like you just type in something, you expect the whole thing to be made at once, and you get
yeah,
crappy results. And sometimes like I know I mentioned you guys using Bolt a lot, like now, because I've been using it this month for this hackathon thing. It does make a lot of assumptions, but I think its target audience is a little different than like Cursor and stuff, so you get different results from that. But it's gotten better,
yeah.
but it does do a lot at once.
I thank you, Chris, for appreciating my glasses.
You have to have glasses on when you're vibe coding.
Chris is messaging me on the side too with his 15 monitors vibe coding all at once for him. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, and you got to have these. Like, it's just essential. Otherwise, you're not really vibe coding. Um, what else do I have here? Let's see. Oh, so going along with breaking things down is like, look at the code too. Like, don't just click accept all. I know it's super tempting, but at least, at very, very least, scan to see like what it has done. What changes have been made. Don't just accept all of it. Uh,
Well, even if you're doing like if you're doing smaller pieces at a time, like I'll do accept all, then review it. Because
yeah,
usually I'm doing like a file or a change at
that's a good
once. So
point too.
it's easy to review.
Yeah.